Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off auto delete for location history activities on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page we scroll down, and from here tap on security and privacy. Next, go down and tap on privacy. Then we go down and tap on other privacy settings. Then tap on activity controls. In here you want to scroll down and go to the location history. Then tap on choose an auto delete option. Tap on that. In here there are two options: auto delete activity older than, or you could choose don't auto delete activity. So if you want to turn on auto delete activity, then select that radio box and then tap on the drop down. From the drop down list you could choose between 3 months, 18 months or 36 months, and so select one of the options. And next, tap on the next button at the bottom. Then tap on confirm. And that's it. It says now preference saved. And simply tap on got it to finished. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.